डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है। द इंडियन जुडिशरी कैन बी डिवाइडेड into two main categories: higher judiciary and lower judiciary. Higher judiciary includes high courts and Supreme Court. The rest is lower judiciary. The process of appointment to the lower judiciary is carried out by the state public service commissions or through the high courts. The process usually involves written examination, which includes a preliminary objective test and then a mains subjective test. Once you qualify quality it, you are subject to the interview, after which, if cleared, you become a judge in the lower judiciary. There are another examinations that are conducted by the High Court for induction of judges at the level of additional district judges. This is called higher services, while it is higher than the PCSJ in rank in overall scheme of things. It is still lower judiciary. The process for HTS is also same, but it requires an experience as a judge or a lawyer, or minimum of 7 years. These two posts are regularly promoted and eventually some make it to the high courts or supreme courts. The higher judiciary includes the high courts and the supreme courts. The appointment to this judiciary is done through promotion from lower judiciary or through direct elevation of practicing lawyer who has been an advocate for at least 10 years in High Court in case of Supreme Court. They are appointed through direct elevation and promotion from high courts if they have been a judge for at least 5 years in High Court. Judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts are appointed by the President. The President is required to hold consultations with such judges of the Supreme Court and of the High Courts as he may deem necessary. Till 1981, the appointment of judges was made by the government. The process of in the Constitution mentioned that the appointments shall be in consultation with the Chief Justice. This opinion in this consultation was not binding on the government in case of the appointment for the post of the Chief Justice. The post was usually given to one who was the senior most judges in the Supreme Court. There was nothing in the Constitution which mandated it, but this was the senior most judges in the Supreme Court. But in 1977, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, through President, superseded H.R. Khanna and appointed M.H. Beg as Chief Justice, after which the collegium's system was introduced. The collegium system of appointment was a process where the chief justice and the four senior most judges of the Supreme Court made recommendations of names that shall be appointed to the high courts or Supreme Courts. The process made recommendations of name that shall be appointed to the high courts or Supreme Courts. The process of appointment of judges was either through elected representatives or through independent commissions. Full stop.